Do what?
Depending on what part you heard.
All of it. You need some counseling.
Shit, I said you got to go to Home Depot. Well, not yet. The who? Matter of fact, I did call you, motherfucker. Your phone was doing some funny shit. Like, it was just.
You going, Hazel?
It'll go for like.
To go next.
5 seconds, then it just come up like. You went to speak voice now about. So I sold it, of course, you know that. I said, so I went ahead